Here's a quick recap of the Pirates PvT project so far. In week 1, we looked at this written melody and we went through and analysed all of the pitch, the rhythm, to understand how the music works. In week 2, we then looked back to see what the values of each of the notes were of the rhythm, and then we entered the rhythm accurately into GarageBand. In week 3, we used that rhythm that we made in task 2, but we changed the pitches of the notes up or down to create the melodic shape of the Pirates melody. In week 4, we learnt about how you could use music to tell a story. And in this case, I challenge you to use the melody, beginning with the melody, to create a 6-layer texture to be used in a battle scene. The first part of this at the top, the piano part, is what you'll have created during tasks 2 and 3. Then you copy it onto the French horn track to make that melody stronger. Then for the first time in this project, we think about the chords or the harmony. And there's 2 tracks that are going to help us to do that: the brass ensemble and the staccato strings. Finally, there are 2 Chinese kit parts to create rhythm, one for a drum and one for a gong. And with that 6 layers of music, that's how we create that sense of a battle within a film story. Finally, if you've completed the battle music, you can go on to this. The aim of this final task 5 is to develop music into a structure, that is with the 3 different sections that you see below. And the sections must contrast. That means they must be different to each other, telling different types or different parts of a story. So in that first section on the left, you write your idea based on the Pirates PvT melody and chords. In the second section, that is the battle scene music you made in task 4. And in the third and final section, that again is your idea based on the Pirates PvT material. The most difficult part of this final task is that the music must flow from start to finish with no gaps in between the sections.